The wind is absolutely going wild outside. I stepped out to check, and nearly got blown back in.
Follow the Moskva down to Gonky Park, listening to the wind of change. August summer night, soldiers passing by.
A wind advisory is in effect until 11 p.m. tonight, with gusts up to 55 miles per hour expected in the Las Vegas Valley.